Hello, good morning. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a great day. My day's okay. I'm not feeling that great today. It's like, I don't know if I'm like dehydrated or what. I tried to drink enough water yesterday. It's a little chilly in here, so I normally drink cold water because it makes me want to drink more water. Like I can, instead of it being like lukewarm, I prefer it cold. But it's cold in here. It's not cold in here, but there's a slight chill, and I don't want to be chillier drinking cold water. So I don't know. But I have more coconut water. I'm gonna finish that up, and then I have some water here. So I'm gonna try to drink up as much as I can, and yeah, hopefully feel better soon today before bed, because tomorrow we have Sabbath lessons, and I don't want to feel bad tomorrow, so yeah, but I hope you guys are doing well, having a great Friday and whatnot, and yeah, today in Yapah's class, sorry, I'm trying to get my hair together. Sometimes when I tighten my hair in a bun, it helps with my headaches a little bit. So like the tightness kind of like, it does something. It tightens it up right here, and it helps a little bit. So I'm just doing that. But today I have to finish this beauty here. She's so pretty. So all I have to do, she's so cute. Oh, bam. Bam, bam, bam. The pockets right there. Ooh. And yeah, so it's pretty much done. I just need to iron down the bias tape, and then I need to hem the bottom. And then I am donezo with that Diana jacket. Okay? So I really want to do like another version of it, like in if I was able to do it in like for like the colder seasons. Sorry, you can't really see me. For like the colder seasons, I would love to do it in more like a velvet, a stretch velvet or something fancier, but or some kind of lacy type fabric. The lacy type fabric probably won't have pockets on it because it's lace, and I mean, it's lace. It'll be too fragile for pockets to put anything in the pockets, really. So I don't think it should have pockets. In the way I'm thinking of it, I don't think it would have pockets. But the velvet could possibly have pockets, but the stretch velvet is stretchy, so when you put things in the pocket, it'll show that it'll like sag. It can possibly sag the rest of the dress or the rest of the jacket, so I don't know if I would put pockets on that one either. So just design wise, I'm thinking like I probably wouldn't put pockets on those, but like on structured fabrics like cotton, that way, this one, pockets all day, it works. But yeah, I'm gonna get straight to it, and because I want to be done and I want to be able to let my customer know that it's finished, and I can send it off to him, most high willing. Obviously not today, but most high willing like Monday or something. I have to see when. That's another thing I have to see. I gotta work with my husband's schedule to see when I can send this package off, because he has the vehicle, so it'll get worked out. It'll be fine. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to work. I'll see you guys while I'm working.
Spirit is willing. I can't complain, whether it's sun or it's rain, I am a son of the king, prince of the pie. First it was sweet then it bitter, now we the pick of the litter. Was labeled a they never seen nothing realer. Spirit on swole getting bigger, we up that new, and you still stuck on the old. You gon' need you some new liquor, we running it back. Teaching the doctrine of Christ, better not come with the cap. We back on the map, fire and scriptures right at him. I'm back with the strap, I fast and I pray to keep my flesh in the cage. Blessed by the ancient of days, I cleanse my ways. I done arose from the grave, whip and chain like a listen. I ain't new to this, I made mistakes but I'm true to this. Never hang with the cool kids, I always chill with the meek. Yasharahla said, left your enemies if need be, turn the other cheek. Being humble is your strength, and pride shows that you weak. Think before you speak. In the heat of the day, when things ain't going my way, remind me cause I could just pray my flesh off the path. If I feel that I can't last, remind me cause I could just fast. My spirit is grieved, and if I lack what I need, remind me cause I could just read. You reap what you sow. If you ain't keeping the code, go and speak to your bros. The spirit is willing, it's willing, but the flesh is weak. The spirit is willing, spirit is willing. Lord knows on this long road, trying to stay in the spirit. Till my name in that book of life before we close it up and seal it. Temptations, on a daily test my patience. I felt myself slipping, getting back to the basics. That sincere milk, being weaned from the spirit. Almost lost the voice, I could hardly hear it. I got works, I need more works, gotta multiply my treasures. No time to be content, I'm off balance with my measure. My inner circle tight, though I'm rough around the edges. You will crown your life if you resist pleasures. Purge desires, endure the fire, watch a blessing come. Seek a higher, he'll multiply you, and the rest will come. In the heat of the day, when things ain't going my way, remind me cause I could just pray my flesh off the path. If I feel that I can't last, remind me cause I could just fast. My spirit is grieved, and if I lack what I need, remind me cause I could just read. Your spirit amiss, in need of a spiritual kiss, go and speak to your sis. The spirit is willing.
I have a lot of questions on, different things. Don't forget to get this book, The Iodine Crisis.
Done,
Right?
son.
And if you want to pre-order your iodine,
I said done, son. Done. I'm done with it. It's 12:19. Okay, I'm done. Just gotta fold it up nice and neat. Wrap it up. Send it off. All done, guys. Can't tell you how happy I am to be done. So understand how glad I am to be done. Not that I hated working on it or anything. It's just I don't like having like a backlog of orders and then I don't like having backlogs. I want to keep it moving and get to something else. So I'm glad I'm done now. So all praises for that. Woot woot. Done. I'm gonna fold it up. I'll show you guys that process as well. I'm trying to see if I want to just do that now. Just fold it so that's nice and neat and folded already. And then prepare to have it wrapped up, or just do it all now and call it a day. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna fold it up now. I think I want to get a little video of it first and then wrap it up.
Lugo solution. All you do is go to KWIYsupplements.com.
Lord knows on this long road, trying to stay in the spirit. Till my name in that book of life before we close it up and seal it. Temptations, on a daily test my patience. I felt myself slipping, getting back to the basics. That sincere milk, being weaned from the spirit. Almost lost the voice, I could hardly hear it. I got works, I need more works, gotta multiply my treasures. No time to be content, I'm off balance with my measure. My inner circle tight, though I'm rough around the edges. You will crown your life if you resist pleasures. Purge desires, endure the fire, watch a blessing come. Seek a higher, he'll multiply you, and the rest will come. In the heat of the day, when things ain't going my way, remind me cause I could just pray my flesh off the path. If I feel that I can't last, remind me cause I could just fast. My spirit is grieved, and if I lack what I need, remind me cause I could just read. Your spirit amiss, in need of a spiritual kiss, go and speak to your sis. The spirit is willing, it's willing, but the flesh is weak, the spirit is willing. Spirit is willing. Flesh is weak, spirit is willing. Watch and pray that you enter not into temptation. The spirit indeed is willing, but the flesh is weak. Fast, pray, and read. Put that on repeat.